Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm excited and a little bit nervous because in today's video I'm going to be doing my first ever twist out on my natural hair, and I'm going to be using the Melanin Hair Care product line. I was so excited when Whitney White came out with this product line because if you don't follow her on her Instagram or on her YouTube channel, you are really missing out. You may know her as Natural85. I have been following her for years. She's so inspiring. She's so motivational. She's one of the reasons why I decided to step out of my comfort zone and start making my own YouTube channel and my own YouTube videos. So when she came out with her very own natural hair care line, I knew I had to support. I don't even rock with twist outs like that. I haven't did a twist out on my hair since I was transitioning. So that's why I'm nervous, because it's been a long time, but I really wanted to try these products. So here I have the info card that came with the package. I ordered her products off of melaninhaircare.com, and this little info card came with my package. I actually wrote the prices of the products because y'all know me, I can never remember how much the products cost. So I ordered the Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream with shea butter and natural oils, long-lasting definition. Has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, but it's 16 fluid ounces. Looks like this. And I love the packaging of this product. It is literally filled to the top. So you get so much product here. And I paid, got my cheat sheet here. So for the cream, I paid $16.99 for this. And I also ordered the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. Looks like this. I know I always use my grapeseed oil as well as my olive oil when I do my natural hair routine, but I really didn't want to try the cream without the oil blend, so I went ahead and purchased this. This was actually $17.99. So in total for the two products plus shipping, I paid $44.98 for these two products. I'm just really excited to try the products, so let's just get started. I've already shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair. I didn't film that part because I just wanted to focus on actually styling, and I didn't want to talk about products that weren't related to the actual styling process. So right now I'm going to go in with Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner because I still wanted to put a leave-in conditioner in my hair. It's the Quench that I've talked about in previous videos. Hey guys, so, okay. So I've already detangled my hair. It's in these little ponytails. I'm looking crazy. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start to style my hair. So let's just get to it. Okay, I'm just gonna start with this section here. I'm so nervous for whatever reason, I don't know. It's nice and thick. Love it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take about that much. Oh my god, it smells like chocolate. Or like cocoa butter? I think it smells like chocolate or cocoa butter. God, my hair is just eating it up. Can't even see it on there. I'm just put a little more. And I'm gonna put some on the ends. Yes, it smells like chocolate. Okay, I haven't decided how many twists I'm gonna do. We're just gonna, I love the smell. I'm such a weirdo. It smells like chocolate, like cocoa butter and chocolate. Okay, so I got 2 more little ponytails here. So I don't even know how many twist I did. I just started getting carried away, but look at this shine though. I'm excited. And I didn't even use a whole lot of product. I don't know, you can't see it, but take my word for it. I didn't use a lot of product. Haven't even put the oil in there and it's already so much shine. So oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just gonna press it into my hair. Oh, this oil smells amazing. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm ready to take my twist down. This is what it looks like the next day. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the melanin oil on my hand so I can take the twist out and kind of reduce the frizz. So I don't know if I mentioned, but this oil smells amazing. Like, I don't even know the scent, but it smells amazing. Okay, let's get started. Hey guys, okay, so this is how my hair turned out. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I love these products. I'm so excited to see how my hair looks if I try to use her products for wash and go, because on the packaging it states that it's perfect for twist outs and wash and goes, and you know I'm like the queen of wash and goes, so I'm gonna do a video and let you see how my hair turns out if I use her products for wash and go routine. I'm super excited. My hair is defined. There's so much shine. Like, this looks amazing. And I think for the quality of these products, like the price point is really amazing, because it's no different than if you use Camille Rose or Miss Jessie products. It's the same price point, because some of Miss Jessie products are like $22 or something like that, but altogether these two products were $44 and they're amazing. I think my hair turned out really, really good. So I highly recommend, if you haven't already, to purchase the Melanin Hair Care product line, because her products are absolutely amazing. The cream smells like chocolate, and I cannot put my finger on what the oil smells like, but it almost reminds me of like lemons or something citrusy, but it smells amazing. Like when you put it in your hair, even hours later, you still smell it. Like when I had my twist in, I had to run out to Walmart and I could still smell it like in my hair while I was out and about. I don't know, that I really like products that even when you put it in your hair, like hours later, you can still smell the products. These products that she has for her line smell absolutely amazing. So this concludes this video. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.